Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Versace sunglasses model 2235 in color code 100287. The color of the frame is gray. On its temples are protective sleeves to make sure that the frame doesn't get scratched or damaged. The lenses are also gray. And these glasses are a rectangular shape. On its temples, you'll find the Versace Medusa logo in gold. And the temples are gray as well. This is the inside of the frame. And you'll also find the Versace logo on the inside of its temples, on both sides. And both temples are also the same. On its inner right temple is the serial number, the Versace logo, and that it's made in Italy. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 51 is for its lens, 20 is for its bridge, and 140 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Versace gift box, a Versace hard case, a Versace booklet, a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Luxottica, and a black Versace cleaning cloth. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.